In this video, we are going to see and resolve this issue that whenever you are trying to update your PC in Windows 11 or Windows 10 and we see this kind of message, we couldn't complete the updates, undoing changes, don't turn off your computer. So we are going to see a couple of solutions in order to resolve that. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So what we want to do is just open up the start menu and just right here, services, open this up. And once we are in here, we need to search for the option of background intelligence services. So we can just click on any of the option and just press B on the keyboard. Here it is, background intelligence transfer service. Just double click to open this up and make sure the startup type is selected to automatic delayed start. If the service is already running, just make sure that it's running. And even if you want to refresh this, you can just stop this and start this again in order to refresh that. So let's click apply and OK. And after that, just type W on the keyboard and just search for Windows backup. Here it is. Let's double click on it and we will do the same. The start type should be set to automatic and click on start. As you can see, it's stopped. It is stopped. So now it's running. Let's click on apply and OK. So after that, you can also click on Windows update. Just search for the Windows update. Just search for it. Here it is. Just double click on that and make sure that the startup type is set to automatic as well. For this, the service status is running. Just click on stop and start again. Click on apply and OK. And after that, just close out of here, open up the start menu and just right here CMD. And once we open that, just right click here and click on run as administrator. If it asks for the confirmation prompt, click yes. And here, let me just zoom it a little bit. And after that, we will just copy and paste this command that you can find with the resources section of this video or description of this video. So just copy and paste that, hit enter. And it's going to start the deployment images services and management tool. It's going to take some time to install that. So just sit back and relax while it completes that.